a new and a yummy delicious recipe. The name of this recipe is called white karahi. So let's begin with our ingredients. We have taken half kg of chicken. First thing, we will grind our ginger garlic and our green chili. So we have taken half cup of oil. So we are gonna put our chicken in there, where it belongs. Well, actually it belongs in my tum-tum. And now the ginger garlic plus the green chili paste that we have already made. And now we are gonna mix it so the ginger garlic paste gets on the chicken and make its own taste and flavor. It's about to become delicious. Or should I say delicious? Knife proud for 2 minutes. So guys, these are our ingredients. 1 cup of yogurt. Roasted cumin powder, or should I say roasting this cumin powder. And 1 teaspoon. Raster coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Roasted coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, 1 tablespoon. Salt to taste of. Now we will put our salt and our all masalas. Our cumin powder. Our roasted and our black pepper. And the yogi yogurt. Oh, that's the creamiest yogurt ever. Like, the name of this dish is white karahi, so yeah. This is about to be the best dish ever. Cover it and cook it on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, let me show you how does it looks. The smell is fantastic. I can't wait for it to go in my mouth. It smells so good. I wonder how the good will be the taste. Now we will cook it on high flame, boys. Now you add 4 tablespoons of cream. Wow, it smells so nice. I can't wait for it to be done. 1 teaspoon garam masala. I have a question. It is already hot, so why do you need garam masala? Get it? And now some green chili to make it some spicy yogurt. And some garlic. Sorry, ginger. Half ginger. Just for the look and just for the taste. Cover it and wait for 3 minutes. And now look at the look and look at how smelly it is. Guys, I just wonder if you can smell it because it is fantastic. And now we will serve it in a nice little Play-Doh. Now let's put it. Oh, that meat. It looks fantastically delicious. My mouth is actually literally watering because this looks so tasty. And yeah, I was not hungry, but this made me to eat the whole thing. So guys, now we will taste it. Now I'll put it in a plate. This looks delicious. just for the taste, I'm gonna put some yogurt. Just for the taste, and now we'll test it. Take the meat. Creamy, nice and tasty meat. It's really good, guys. Make this recipe at home. It is really easy and not with much ingredients, not gonna lie. So guys, subscribe my channel, leave a like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And bye guys.